I heard a growl or a groan. Is there a spirit here? Talk in my phone. Who are you? The fuck? That was loud.